coincided with the African tectonic plates and Cyprus arose. So Cyprus was under the water. At that time, a lot of volcanoes were happening. That's why our soil and geology is so rich. Any rock you can imagine. Selenite, corals, reefs, mixture of granite, limestone, copper, very rich in geology and very rich in vegetation.
Today we are going hiking up a mountain and we're in this Range Rover and oh, it's fishing. And guys, you've got to take a look at this view. It's insane. So we're just with a group of people and we're just going to go to a few destinations. I just love stuff like this. And do you know what I love? When the tour guide is just so happy and jolly and spitting facts and a good experience than the views, but you come out knowledgeable about the history of where you're visiting, and I just love stuff like that. I just love the passion in people, and the weather is absolutely perfect. See my queen.
Okay, guys, 2 million cubic meters of water. How much is in it now? I'm gonna cry. Less than 25. It won't last.
1, 2, 3, say ah.
And you can eat it the way it is, yeah? And then it grows and it becomes a shell and a skin. You cannot eat the shell. One month, you can eat it like this. It's nice. Now we're gonna pick up from last year. I see it. Okay. I'm gonna throw them probably. It will be easier. You gotta pick it up from the floor, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah? You hold it, steady, and you hit it here.
You've done this before, huh?
Of course. Who wants to try? Well done.
Yes,
You want to smash it all? This is okay.
you smashed the nut.
Nice. No. How was it, Fabian? Yeah. Have you tried it? I'll get yours, don't worry.
I'm keeping mine for later.
Any good? It's okay, you can eat it like this. Okay, let me get for Lisa. Okay.
It's very earthy. Dookie. How's it
Yuki's out here eating almonds. It's got a good texture to it. Yeah.
earthy?
It's got flavour actually. Yeah.
It's good. It's good. It hits, doesn't
I'd
it?
rather just get from here then.
Yeah.
From there.
And we're just having traditional Cyprus coffee. It's just a vibe. Or taste testing.
Said don't finish it.
Don't finish it.
Drink it to a certain point.
Really?
It's enough. Yeah.
Why?
That's nice actually. The sugar was needed. Yeah, sugar was needed.
Wow. This is so good, guys. If you had to describe it, it would taste like really thick. And I would say it tastes like chocolatey. This tastes like a mocha to me.
Okay, Keith Lee.
I don't know what that means. Huh? Guys, if you ever come to Cyprus and want to go to the Troodos mountains, we've got a tour guide and he's so passionate about his job. And his name is
Costantinos.
There we go.
This is why. Look.
Okay.
At the bottom.
His name's Costantinos, and if you guys ever want a tour guide, just tours
He is
Sunshine.
himself.
Yeah, Sunshine, I think. And yeah, he's incredible. And you know when you've got a good tour guide, it makes the experience so much better. So yeah, not only are we just getting obviously the views and the sightseeing, we're just gaining so much knowledge about the country that we're visiting, and it makes the experience a 10 out of 10 basically.
You buy something we do in the village here.
Thank you.
That's called a zivania.
What is this?
This one drink is good for now.
Is it alcohol?
Come to tell you. And the halloumi cheese.
Alcohol.
Halloumi cheese.
It's alcohol, yeah. We make it from grapes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
You
you.
don't find it everywhere.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. For some halloumi. Halloumi cheese.
Oh, if this is what I had in Greece, let me tell you guys, this is the most difficult drink you're going to drink.
Alcoholic drink from the skin of the red grape. Of the grape, sorry, the skin of the. What you're gonna have is you breathe in, take it, not completely, you leave some space, you take the shot, you leave the shot to go down in your stomach, yes, and you breathe out the fire. Let me get my light.
Every restaurant.
Wait. Is he actually gonna do the breathing though? That is the breathing. You're supposed to breathe. No,
Guys,
I want to
guys.
breathe fire.
No, he was
No, he's joking.
Everybody will drink this in the village. Not only in the village, everywhere.
No!
I'll bring you another one.
Concentrate. Okay. Emmanuel, let me know when you're ready, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, when you lot are all ready.
Let me get tissue.
What is it?
Tissue?
Huh?
Tissue?
Take for the...
Yeah.
Okay, I do it.
When you're ready, show you.
Ready? Cheers. 3, 2, 1, breathe in.
Oh, that's calm. Top notch.
This is a firebreaker. You know, I said we have the third region with. Yeah, so we do not waste water. Trying to save all the water. So this is Troodos up there. You see those antennas out. So the altitude, like I said, 19. In the carrots. Oh, sorry, Leo.
Oh, I've got a carrot.
Yeah.
Hey.
You have a friend? How much water there was here 500 years ago?
So where did they bring the copper from?
From Troodos Mountain. Yes. All the 3 miles in Troodos.
Right now, we're just under a bridge. They built this for the boats to go under to ship bronze.
The fish, a big fish, at least. And the crabs ate all the fish. That was a land.
I was planning to go swimming,
no
but
water.
because there's no water anymore,
The dam is not far.
I can't go swimming. The water is cold anyway, so I'm kind of glad I would not have went swimming on this. Peaceful. Ben, get down. Ben, get down. Perfect opportunity.
penetrate through the comb. Make sure your venom's working.
I think like 9 different snakes and 3 of them are venomous.
There's not 9, there's 8. I'm sure you need to give your viewers
The truth.
the right info.
Yeah, 3 of them are venomous and they're all like scattered around here, so they're not aggressive, but if you step on them then they'll bite you, and then you have 4 hours to get to the hospital. But do you think you can make it?
Yeah.
You can make it.
Only 4 hours. Holy Spirit. Healing's from
Going on a hike, guys, going on a hike. Oh, and they're not wearing the right shoes for it.
This is the perfect shoe. This is perfect. Comfortability.
Move out the way, move out the way. But you get to drive and we have to walk. Struggling with the sliders.
No, I never struggle with sliders. You know why? Because I'm a slider connoisseur. Jogging, this is how she jogs. I mean, are you out of breath?
No.
Then it's a good pace, isn't it?
Den's is gone. We've lost Den. Den's fallen down there.
Dens has decided to trek down there in the sliders. He said he'll meet us at the exit. So apparently it's just the 2 of us. We can make it if we try. Just the 2 of us. You and I.
Let's do a wrap. Yeah.
Off beat already.
Okay. In Cyprus with my brewskis, chilling when we're working on the hike. That was good, but it wasn't. I stumbled my words, guys. Yeah, baby. So this is a plant that's growing in the mountain, and it smells like curry. I smell celery, and Ben's freshening up his cologne.
It's not curry, it smells fresh. Smell it.
He said it smelled like
nice,
spices. Yeah. So he got it. He got the guess right.
Of course I did. I'm a food connoisseur as well.
Right, I'm gonna cut that bit out then. I can't be posting it when you're right. You have to go with your character, okay? Don't go out, okay? Then there's a village in the mountains, which is pretty cool. Oh, I couldn't go swimming in that. just sitting there in the corner. That's all you'd have to do. That's where I was going to swim, guys. It's too cold. Can't be doing that.
I said there's one further up that's deeper.
But that would be so nice in the summer. Guys, I'm being so risky. I'm on a rock. Am I brave to go on that one? No.
You say it's part of the challenge.
Ben.
I don't know.
Oh.
Next one.
Yes.
Nice.
Yay! Woo! Careful.
Nice.
Nice balancing skills.
Nearly there.
Cheese.
One big jump.
Jump. Woo!
Yeah!
Granite. Sweet. Yeah. What is it, sir?
Carob and pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
Right. Okay.
That's good, guys.
Have a nice bread, yeah. Nice bread. Actually, here you can try this, the carob syrup and some bread. Like I said, you can try now this, and this is the sweets as well.
Ooh.
So try quickly now. So you get more bread and try to do this. This is a carob. So we eat this like it's nice.